There's a reason why you aren't getting the traffic your website deserves. Here are 5 actionable tips to get you started. Want to see your website rank higher on Google? Today, I'll be sharing 5 quick wins that'll give your website a boost in no time. Let's jump right in. Win number 1. Optimize your meta titles and descriptions. These are the first things people see when they find you on Google. Make sure your title includes relevant keywords and your description is engaging. Keep it clear and catchy. Win number 2. Improve your page speed. Slow websites are a big no-no. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify what's slowing you down and fix those issues. Faster site equal happier users equal better rankings. Win number 3. Use alt text on your images. Alt text isn't just for accessibility. It helps search engines understand what your images are about. Add descriptive, keyword-rich alt text to every image on your site. Win number 4. Fix broken links. Broken links are bad for SEO and user experience. Use tools like Ahrefs or Screaming Frog to find them and fix them. No one likes landing on a 404 page, right? Win number 5. Update old content. Fresh content gets more attention from search engines. Go back to old blog posts, add new info, update links, and give them a refresh to keep them relevant. And there you have it, 5 quick SEO wins that'll get your website climbing up in the rankings. Ready to get started? Apply these tips today and you'll see results in no time. Make sure to follow us for more tips and tricks from Amped Marketing. I'm George. See you on day 3.